Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable little stars. They are super easy to make and they only require knowing a few stitches. So without further ado, let's get started. So for supplies for this tutorial, I'm going to be using loops and thread Impeccable yarn. I'm also going to be using a 4mm hook from Crochet Society. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and a darning needle to weave in your ends at the end of the project. So to begin, we are going to create a magic ring. So if you're unsure of how to make a magic ring, I will link a video in the description box below that will give you step-by-step instructions on how to make one. But I will give you a quick demonstration here. So we're going to anchor the yarn with our thumb and pinky, and we're going to wrap the yarn around our hand. So we have two parallel lines on the top and a cross on the back. We're going to go under the top loop, over the back, pull it up to make an A, turn your hook, and then yarn over and pull through. And that is your magic ring. Now when we're working the magic ring, we want to make sure we're crocheting over both the ring and the yarn end. So to start the star, we are going to chain 3, and this is going to count as 1 double crochet. Now we're going to place 14 double crochets within the magic ring. So that's going to give us a total of 15, including this chain 3. So insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1. So we're going to do that 14 times around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is what we're looking like right now. So once you've completed your 14 double crochets plus your chain 3, we're going to close our loop. Now to end this row, we're going to place a slip stitch in the first double crochet that we made. So we're going to skip this chain 3 and we're going to put a slip stitch into this first single crochet right here. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through like that. So now we have a circle. Now we're going to start on the actual star points. So to start, we're going to make a 5 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we're going to do is we're going to skip this first chain, and into the second chain we're going to place a single crochet. So insert your hook under the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now moving down into the next chain, we're going to place a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now moving on to the next chain, we're going to place a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now in that last chain, we're going to place a triple crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through with 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there is your first triangle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to attach this, making a slip stitch into the 3rd double crochet from where you are right now. So 1, 2, 3. So we're going to insert our hook right here, yarn over, and we're going to make a slip stitch. And this is what we're looking like so far. We have one little triangle made. So now from this point, we're going to chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to skip the first stitch. We're going to place a single crochet in the 2nd stitch, a half double crochet in the 3rd, a double crochet in the 4th chain, and a triple crochet in the 5th chain. Now we've made a 2nd triangle. We're going to do the same thing, 3 stitches from where we're at right now. So 1, 2, 3, we're going to place a slip stitch. And there's 2 triangles made. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first chain, single crochet in the 2nd chain, half double crochet in the 3rd chain, double crochet in the 4th chain, and triple crochet in the 5th chain. Skip to the 3rd stitch, and there is 3 done. Now we're going to chain 5 again, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the 2nd chain, half double crochet in the 3rd chain, double crochet in the 4th chain, triple crochet in the 5th chain. And slip stitch. Now we just have one more to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the 2nd chain, half double crochet in the 3rd chain, double crochet in the 4th chain, and triple crochet in the 5th chain. And we're going to just tie off here in where we started our very first triangle. We're going to cut our yarn. Yarn over and pull through to make a little knot. And there is your completed star. So you just have to weave in your ends with your darning needle, and then you're all done. And that is how you can crochet a basic star. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Let us know in the comments down below if there's any tutorials you're looking to see. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!